Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new entry to the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the plus icon once you are at your home page that you can find down below in the middle of the screen. Here you should select the date at the top, then select the start of the period, and the flow can be indicated here. Your sexual activity, you can also tap on the show all button, and here you can add your symptoms. So just tap on the relevant ones, and as you go back you can also set your mood. Whether you use contraception or not. Here you can add notes, medicine, temperature, weight, or you can also customize your list. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.